Hello everyone. That we need topic today is God answers our prayer. Every we sinners, every our problems or everything, remember God answer your prayers. Me my personal, even I poor, but God gave me needs our daily life. We are very suffering, but God answers our prayer. Remember, pray into God. If you're burden, you're suffering in life, if you sin, everything we need to ask in a God. God answers our prayer. God answer my prayer and to your prayer. Remember, do not forget to pray in God. God always answer our prayer in life. Thank you.